Hello, Bitcoin fans and investors and traders. Just to give you a quick update here, I know that I posted a couple days ago, and want to go over this triangle action again. We've stated on the prior chart that we think that this is a triangle formation converging, and that we didn't exactly know that if the triangle is finished at 10,303 or if we had another pop, maybe take it a little higher to create the right look. But this is our primary count, A, B, C, D, E. E ended at 10,303, and this is the count that is currently happening here. And just want to let you know that if it's a triangle interpretation, I think the minute wave 1 was done here at 9360, and I think this minute wave 2 could have been done at the 9,600 level, 670, I think that was a high. So that could be the minute 2. Then if that is minute 2, then we got a deep decline here for minute wave 3. But if it's not a triangle interpretation, and let's say this B ended it here at right below 11,000, then obviously we would put minute 1 at 9790, and we would put minute 2 at 10,654, and now we're tracing out the first minuet wave of this third. So 3 orange would go somewhere here, and this would be the first of the third minute, because if you look at the count here, 1, 2, you got 3, 4, 5 for the smaller one. Then you probably take it up higher for smaller 2. Then 3, 4, 5 to complete orange 3. Oh, and orange is minute. Then 4 and 5. Hopefully we cap off the entire move of this double zigzag, and hopefully at this area. So either interpretation, it leads you to the same result. It's just that I think next probably 2, 3, 4 days would really tell, based on the impulsiveness of the wave, if we're in this minute 1, minute 2, or if we're in the smaller 1 and smaller 2 inside the minute wave 3. So just want you to know that there are two scenarios unfolding here, and just understand. I know that a lot of Bitcoin followers and traders, investors, they love to Google Bitcoin news and try to create or get some edge off some traders making comments. But I mean, this is a perfect example. When you see comments like this, Bitcoin poised to break out big August 25th by this guy. And I don't really mean to pick on this guy, but you just got to stay off these headline catching type of news or events, because this will really sway investors and traders to do something based on a comment like this. Because when he wrote this is August 25th, and when you look at August 25th, it's in this area right around the 10,000 probably 100 area. So you would have probably had a good trading if you went along with this comment and maybe made about $300 to $400, $500. But then again, you would have gotten whacked if you stayed into this trade. And right now we're hovering at about 90, I think 9,500 area. So there's so many opinions out there. Obviously, target price did, target price that, and all these FX traders commenting about the moving averages, where the support is, where resistance level is, where the stochastic is, where the divergence is, or bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing. Those are really secondary sources that you should utilize. I mean, I understand that you need to use a holistic approach, but you got to really put the Elliott wave count at the forefront, because it's a pure unbiased reading of human psychology. Remember, human psychology's move markets. It's a movement of the mass, and that's why Elliott wave is applied so well, especially with the indices, not with individual stocks, but indices, with the Dow Jones, S&P 500, Russell, oil, gold. Elliott wave forecasting. If you know how to count the waves right, accuracy could be immense if you apply the right counts with the right Fibonacci analysis. Sky's the limit. But right now, stick with the Elliott wave count. And I'm not saying that I'm better than everybody else, or this guy's wrong, or that guy's not right. I'm just going by the wave count. If the wave count is perfectly situated and is telling me that it's into the fifth wave and you got a turn coming, then I'm going to tell you. But right now on this picture, the double zigzag from that 13,000 level couldn't be any clearer. So right now, in my opinion, you got two counts here, and both counts lead to the same direction. Focus on the wave counts. Do not focus on a lot of the junk news that's out there. And just one house cleaning note. I am gonna be stopped feeding the Twitter account. It seems like my accounts and my charts are getting copied and being distributed to like all over places. I've checked out many platforms and they're using and copying my chart as their own, and so I've stopped that completely. So I'm not going to be doing any more Twitter feeds in my Twitter account. So I'm going to be basically focusing on the YouTube platform. So follow me through this platform, and I'm going to be posting probably every 2-3 days here. And I am 95% confident. I think the probability of this setup, and based on the double zigzag pattern, I have rarely seen a pattern like this of double zigzag missing a big leg and going higher. So I think the probability of this thing going down to the arrows I pointed at is very, very high. Just check it out. And as soon as we get some more price action, I will come back to you guys. Until then, this is Current Wave, cwcount.com. Goodbye, guys.